I'm here to give you reasons, in fact, 5 reasons as to why front of pack warning labels are important in food policies. We go right away. Number 1, transparency first. You don't need a science degree to know what's in your food. Front of pack warning labels make it easy to spot high sugar, salt, or fat at a glance. Number 2, making informed choices. Freedom of choice means informed choice. Front of pack labels empower people to make healthy decisions quickly. No fine print is needed. Number 3, protecting our kids. Children are highly influenced by packaging. Clear front of pack warnings helps parents protect their kids from ultra-processed unhealthy products. Number 4, very key, fighting NCDs. Non-communicable diseases like diabetes and heart diseases are skyrocketing. Simple warning labels on food help reduce risk, one purchase at a time. And lastly, it works because evidence shows. Countries like Chile saw a drop in sugary drink purchases after adding front of pack warnings. Evidence-based people-powered policy. We are optimistic that Kenya will finally achieve this milestone. My name is Felix Asoha.